So now saying bye bye to this mountain. He didn't allow me to conquer him. And now going back to a lake, Annakavanur Lake, and I hope to have a pleasant experience there. I am a bit drained out because of the sun. I drank some water, ate some biscuits, you saw, right? But still, I am feeling a bit drained because I did not eat food. I only had like 1.5 small dosa, and that's it. So it's not a good idea to not eat and travel like this. Better have something, then you will have that energy and then you can go on, right? You guys can see in the rear view similar to Kailasakona, there was that mountain, but now I do not see it. Now this lake is around 21 kilometers from that Vaingundram hill top on Vaingundram hill, and I think it's going to be some village route like this, and I'm trying to speak a bit in high volume so that I am audible. Time is around 13 hours, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and we'll try to finish everything before 2 and then go back home. Probably I'll reach at 4:30 or 5. That should be okay. Now you can see that hill, right? Look, on this side also. So we are actually going like in a circle because the mountain is over there. We took like something like this, and we are on this road now. Now this is again a nice and very catchy road. Both sides are forest, or it's kind of forest. Now we have done 103 kilometers, and after this lake there is a dam which we want to go. Let's see. Yeah. After drinking water and having 3 biscuits, I feel better now. At that hill it was very difficult, drained out I was, and I think it is a good option to carry maybe an energy drink or an energy powder that can be mixed in the water, or pre-mix it from home and then bring it. Because for me itself, I like such places By the way, guys, do you guys think that I am the most talkative vlogger? I mean, motor vlogger? Because I think that I talk a lot when I'm riding and I communicate with you a lot during the rides. That's why if you see that the ride is always about I share some information, I talk to you, and all that is happening. So do you guys also think that? If you think or what you think, let me know in the comment section. Yeah, will you? Alright, we'll check the comments and I will definitely reply. I always do, but only 0.1% I am getting comments. Only last week I think someone, Mr. Sahu, some brother from North India, asked me if I drove, at what speed I was driving when I got the 42 km per liter mileage, and I replied to him. I felt happy that he saw my vlog and he wants to know more. So if you also want to comment, feel free to comment and I will definitely reply if you have asked any question. Is this some sort of a forest route? Or maybe a village route? Well, with the drone actually it didn't go well. I think it is a very dangerous to fly it on over the lake or near the lake because it is drifting on its own. It is not a steady drone is what I feel, and it could just go and drop in that lake. I mean, the place where I flew, it was mountain, but the drone was flying and was drifting away from the joystick, and I think the Ebotics, or how is the company name, they have to work a lot to improve the drone. This is a pathetic drone as of now. You can't do anything with it because it can't take even a small wind. It has to be like the pin drop silence. It has to be no wind. So pretty soon we are going to arrive at our next destination. The map is stuck, or maybe the network is a bit not there, but if that map is showing correctly, I have to go and take left, and then we will be at the Annakavanur lake. Is there a left here? Yes, there is a left, right? No, there is not here. So update is that there is a problem with the network. Maps is unable to find a suitable route. So I asked a person who was working there, and he told me take this route and go and then take left, and it will go to that lake. So he said go straight, then there will be a bridge newly constructed, and after that bridge you will be directly near the lake. Newly constructed bridge, and that over there is the lake. So guys, I got confirmation that there isn't any network here. That is a problem in this area, and I asked a local. He was very helpful. He helped me out. He told me take this route, which was just nearby to where I was standing and searching for the internet, and then he asked me, where do you want to go? I told him I want to go to this lake. He said, okay, take this route and then you can go. And I told him after that I have to go home. He said, just go straight, there will be a temple there, you will have complete network. So this, my friends, is the lake, Anakavur Lake, and it is kind of dry at the moment because of no rains, and yeah, then maybe later it will be filled with water, maybe up to this level, who knows. This is the lake view for you. I'm not going to fly the drone here, don't want to take any risk. Definitely it will go away. As I told you, I lost my mobile phone there, so I just got the same spec yesterday with the same, and SMS services has not yet been started. It will start sometime. Yeah, so this, my friends, is the Anakavur lake. I just walked some 10-15 meters and you see a much better view of the lake. It's very big, it's very large. So I'm signing off from this place. I'll see you at the next. This dog wants to go up that. Let's see. It didn't go. I still do not have internet. I have to see where I can get. Alright guys, finally I have found the route. The old phone was not working, maybe overheated, or because it's an old phone and the apps were not up to date and they were getting stuck. While coming it was okay, but when I'm going back now it was stuck and I was in a bit of a trouble because I didn't know how to go. Then I asked someone, he said take this route, and now I have put my SIM card on the new mobile and it is working fine. I even asked my family member to recharge with internet for a day. They did that, but that was still not working on the old phone. Now on this phone it is working well. So I hope you guys had a lot of fun today. If you guys did, please do not. Alright guys, finally I have found the route. The old phone was not working, maybe overheated, or because it's an old phone and the apps were not up to date and they were getting stuck. While coming it was okay, but when I'm going back now it was stuck and I was in a bit of a trouble because I didn't know how to go. Then I asked someone, he said take this route, and now I have put my SIM card on the new mobile and it is working fine. I even asked my family member to recharge with internet for a day. They did that, but that was still not working on the old phone. Now on this phone it is working well.
Sometime later.
Just going to have some soft drink here. This mobile phone uses a thank you. Thank you. So I will have this juice now. So actually this is the shop where I had that 7-Up. This is somewhere near Vandavasi or quite far away maybe. This place called Anakavur where that lake was, and yeah, after drinking 7-Up I feel better, hydrated, and now let's head back. I mean, very old home, these are houses of someone. I checked the Odo. We have done 2040 kilometers, and so congratulations 10K Vlogs team and Pulsar. Wow. So congratulations 10K Vlogs, Pulsar N250 for this commendable 2000 kilometers journey, and more challenges and fun to come. And thanks a lot to you as always for staying with me, supporting me. Love you guys like I love my Pulsar. I hope you guys had a lot of fun today. If you guys did, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share, guys. Otherwise I'm not able to find motivation. Only when you guys like, share and subscribe, I see that you guys are giving me some motivation to work more and to bring you the best of the best. So I am not sure what is going to come up in the route. Maybe it is the same route, and so I say thanks a lot for tuning in and have a lot of fun. Love you guys. Take care and bye for now. Love you. See you in the next vlog. It's your 10K Vlogs here, signing off.